Hey everyone, you just received a hefty paycheck. You're eager to invest it, but you're also worried about how long it might take for your money to be available. Hook. Ever wondered how long it takes for your Wealthsimple deposit to settle? Let's dive in and find out. Context. Wealthsimple is a popular investment platform that offers a range of financial products, including stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrency. One of the key factors to consider when using any investment platform is the speed at which your deposits are processed. Main content. Factors affecting deposit processing time. Deposit method. The method you choose to fund your Wealthsimple account will significantly impact the processing time. Bank transfers. Typically, bank transfers are the slowest method. They can take anywhere from 2 to 5 business days for the funds to reach your Wealthsimple account. Interac e-transfers. Canada. This is a popular and fast method in Canada. Interac e-transfers can usually be completed within minutes, but it might take a few hours for Wealthsimple to process the funds. Debit or credit cards. These methods are generally faster than bank transfers, but they might have processing fees. The exact processing time can vary depending on your card issuer. Wealthsimple's processing time. Even after the funds have reached Wealthsimple's system, there might be a short processing delay before they become available for investment. This is typically due to internal verification procedures. Real-world examples. Case Study 1. John made a bank transfer from his TD Bank account to his Wealthsimple account on a Monday. The funds were available for investment on the following Friday. Case Study 2. Sarah used an Interac e-transfer to fund her Wealthsimple account. The funds were available within an hour of sending the transfer. Tips for faster deposits. Verify your account. Ensure that your Wealthsimple account is fully verified. This will help expedite the deposit process. Choose faster methods. Opt for deposit methods that are known to be faster, such as Interac e-transfers or credit cards. Contact support. If you have concerns about the processing time of your deposit, don't hesitate to reach out to Wealthsimple's customer support. Conclusion. The speed at which your Wealthsimple deposit is processed can vary depending on several factors, including the deposit method and Wealthsimple's internal procedures. By understanding these factors and following the tips mentioned, you can minimize the waiting time and start investing your money sooner. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.